Sir, tignan niyo ito.
Sarge, ito na ako sa bangkay.
Mukhang sinalvage, sir.
Yes. I believe that the guy was killed somewhere else and the body was dumped here. Para mailigaw ang sino man mag-iimbestiga dito. Sergeant, I want you to work personally on this case.
Yes, sir. O anong...
Sarge, may nakapagsabi sa akin, ang kasama ng biktima sa litrato, ang may-ari ng club na yan. Madalas daw siya dyan. Ang pangalan, Nelson Roberts. Australiano.
Pasukin na natin, Sarge.
Hindi po pwede, Sarge. Exclusively for members only. Kailangan, may hawak kayong card. Karamihan ng customer dyan, foreigner, at mga bakla. May mga transaksyones na nangyayari dyan na baluktot.
Man, you worry too much. Well, gotta go. See you later. Okay. Out. Wait, Nathan. I forgot something. This is for worries. Hey, you worry too much, huh? Relax. Take care. All right. See you later. Come on, let's go.
Sarge. Mabuti pa, sundan natin.
Huwag na. Diskartehan mo nga kung paano tayo makakakuha ng membership card. Kailangan makapasok tayo.
Sarge, di ba si Garuda yun? Tinagtad mo na ng bala yung tiyan yan, ha? Yung patrolman ka pa? Ba't buhay pa?
Palagay ko malakas ang panunaw. Yung mga bala naging pupo.
Baguhan kayo dito?
First time.
So you are Mama?
Blondie.
Siya Mama?
Platina Beauty na medyo control.
Nakakaloka talaga. So kailangan nyo ng ombre, Mama?
Ang tara, Tita Techo, bakit pa kaya kami nagpunta rito kung hindi umin?
At ikuha mo siya ng omreng bumubula ang mga muscle.
Nakakaloka.
Yung
Sige,
lilinti
Mama.
sila kung parang sawa.
Excuse me, Blandy, Latina. Siya nga pala si Crispin, ang aming pinakamacho dito.
Wow! Ang laki nga. Nako, Blandy. Pag natikman mo yan, tiyak nasisigaw ka ng... Ah! Sisa! Crispin! Nasa si Basilio! Ah!
May tattoo! Masakwit!
Hindi naman. Kayang-kaya.
Upo ka. O paano? Blandy, Platina, bye.
Thank you.
Anong gusto mong drink?
Huwag muna. Kasi may sayo pa ako eh.
In.
Meron. Kaya lang mahal.
Mahal?
Mahal.
Sa pera, no hay problema.
Sayo tayo.
Mamaya na.
Sige na.
Mamaya na sabi.
Sayo tayo, sige na naman oh.
Didibdiban kita rin.
Okay lang.
Sir, we have a new customer. Hey, babe, why didn't you go out and get some cigs? We're gonna talk some business, okay? Please, sit down. Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you, Mr. Shokoy.
The name is Nelson Roberts, not Shokoy. You got the money? Tell me, what's your business behind this outfit of yours?
You mean my bread and butter?
Yeah, that's right.
I'm a couturier. I own a boutique.
See this stuff? This is what makes the world go round. You know, way back in Vietnam, faggot soldiers couldn't kill without this. No siree. Here you go.
You must have done very well in other countries, Mr. Roberts.
Business is okay.
But not here in the Philippines, you... You're under arrest. I'm a police officer.
Cop! You're a cop! I hate cops!
Uy,
Ano ba? Ba't di ka pa na-istorbo?
Pasensya ka na, Day. Kung kailan ka nabibilaukan, doon kita na-istorbo.
Che!
Dako pa, Day. Dako.
Sumayos ka na!
Si Sarge, may tama!
Wala. Nabakli lang yung takong.
Wala pala eh. Akala ko may tama na si Sarge.
Hold it. Well, Mr. Roberts, I think you need this more than I do. There you go. Yo! Oh. Pamana ko para sa